Hindi ya kuhinga kigomano kia 59 kia aruti wĩra ruhonge-ini rwa urimi, Minister wa wĩra Simon Chelugui augite ona angikorwo thirikari ni iretikira ati kambuni nyingi ni hindi iracokereria kuma marũrũ-ini ma COVID-19 ria muthia aruti wĩra mongereirwo mĩcaara ni mwaka wa 2018.
The economy is still recovering from COVID-19 shocks, and the minimum wage increase could sink businesses still readjusting. We expect to see an increase in redundancies, automation, outsourcing, and depressed hirings. Indeed, Honorable CS, in our industry alone and among our membership, we've already seen over 200 redundancies, and there has been reports of more coming.
Kiama gia kuramata mirutire ya wĩra ruhonge-ini rwa urimi kiugite kambuni nyingi cia urimi ni ciambiriirie gubuta wĩra aruti a wĩra ikiuga itingihota gukinyaniria itua ria thirikari ria kuria mongerere aruti a wĩra mĩcaara.
I also got a letter from workers from Kotu, and they wanted 55% salary increase. So we have zero request, we have zero or status quo demand by employers. And I have 55% from Atuli, the workers. So my job as government is to moderate.
Movement out of flower farms this year has been almost minimal. People are not leaving their workplaces, especially flower farms, to go to the rural areas, fearing that this year there will be violence in Naivasha.
Ruhonge rwa mahua gicigo-ini kia Naivasha ni rumwe rwa iria ciambiriirie gubuta aruti a wĩra niguo gukinyaniria ikinya riri na gutuika thirikari ni nineire ne kambuni ici wagagu wa gutacukirio ikinya o riothe maga gukinyaniria mubango wa kuongerera mĩcaara. Chelugui oho ni erire kambuni cia mahua ugitiri wa marua ma wigwatiri wa migunda iria marimagira. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.
Opportunity to introduce ourselves.